friends. For week 1, we have a book called Cat's Colors, and it's written by Jane Cabrera. Look at that little cat. He's so cute. Let's see. I'm Cat. What is my favorite color? Look at all those colors. What do you think is gonna be his favorite color? Is it green? Green is the grass where I like to walk. Oh, grass feels so good on my toes. Is it pink? Pink are petals of my favorite flower. Look at those pretty flowers, wow. Is it black? Black is the night when bats swoop and soar. Ooh, that's a little bit scary to me. Is it red? Red is the rug where I snooze by the fire. Oh, look at that. He's so cozy. Look at his friend. What is that? Is it yellow? Yellow is the sand on the sunny beach. I don't know. Sand makes me a little bit itchy. Is it purple? Purple is the yarn I tangle in my claws. Purple's my favorite color. Is it brown? Brown is the earth where I dig my holes. Ugh. I didn't know cats dig holes. Is it blue? Blue is the sky where I chase the birds. Yikes. Do you think birds like to be chased? Oh. Is it white? White are the clouds floating in the sky. What's he daydreaming about? Looking at the clouds. Is it orange? Yes, because, why do you think it's orange? Are you ready to see? Orange is the color of my mother. That's so sweet. All right, friends, so this week we are going to have a Skittles experiment. So let's take a look at what that is. Okay, look at that. So, I have Skittles on a plate. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add warm water. So you go ahead and put your Skittles on a plate. You can make a pattern. You can put all the colors that are the same together, or you can do what I did and mix it up like a rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna add my warm water and let's see what happens. What do you think is gonna happen? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Boys and girls, look at that. Something is happening. It looks like the Skittles are melting. And all the colors, oh, look at that. They're starting to touch each other. That's so cool. Wow. Look at that. That's amazing. It's so pretty. So what is your favorite color? I told you guys mine. Mine is purple. Look at that. I'm gonna try something. I moved my plate to see if the colors would move. Wow, look at that. So pretty. I'm gonna try something. Let's see what happens if I mix. Wow, that's even prettier. Okay. Boys and girls, I hope you have fun this week with all the papers and colors and books and and experiments that we have prepared for you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.